Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Fatespen. Now Fatespen used to be a very popular spot to stop to get food and relax on the journey to Ocho Rios. It was actually the spot. It was one of the most famous places in Jamaica. If you are traveling on from Kingston to Ocho Rios, chances are you would stop at Fatespen to get something to eat or drink. But as you can see, it's literally abandoned. It's empty. All these stalls were once occupied and buzzing with activity. But what happened is a highway was built. And this happens all over the world when you change the flow of traffic. Towns change, things change. Just like on the south coast, Porus and Clarendon Park are going through some serious economic hardship because the highway has been built bypassing those areas. Same thing happened to Fatespen. A highway was built that you could say it was a game changer for Jamaica. The highway. We're not knocking the highway. The highway was needed and it serves its purpose. But unfortunately, these things happen when you change the flow of traffic. Happens all over the world. So the highway was built and you can get from Kingston to Ocho Rios in 45 minutes. That's what you call a game changer on highway quality road. So unless you had some reason to go to drive on the old road, chances are you won't be going back past Fatespen. And Fatespen was really, there's no industry, no manufacturing plant, nothing like that in Fatespen. It was just a food stop or a rest stop, somewhere you stop on the journey. So now that you don't have people using that road, Fatespen has fallen off big time. And there's no exit to Fatespen because, as we said earlier, there's no business there. I shouldn't say business, there's no large plant like you have. Bogwalk has a lot of manufacturing plants. They have an exit from the highway, so they're fine. Linstead is a major town. There is the Windalco plant. You have a lot of business places. Linstead has an exit. Monique has an exit. And there's an exit up to Claremont. And those are the exits on the highway. And when I say Monique, the correct name for the exit is Unity Valley. So those are the exits. There's none close to Fatespen, and nobody's going to. For one, it's a 45-minute drive now, so you can get. There's no reason to stop. And the old journey used to take 2 hours on the road. So you're on the road for 2 hours, chances are you're going to stop and get something to eat. But another thing is they built an area by Unity Valley, by Monique, for Fatespen to move because it was some good food, chicken, fish, corn. I'm sure people who traveled on the old road know Fatespen. They built a new area for Fatespen on by Unity Valley, so you could exit off the highway. You could actually see the area from the highway. There was an exit with proper facilities, bathroom, you had other shops there, there was a gas station, lots of parking, even places where people could rent stores. But it didn't work out. I've heard different stories. I've heard one, the rent was too high, the people never wanted to move. So at the end of the day, that's what Fatespen looks like now. There are 1 or 2, or I should say about 3 or 4 stalls that people operate, so you can still stop there, but the traffic just isn't there like before, just not there. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Let us know your memories of Fatespen and what you think about what happened. Alright guys, have a good day.